Okay, looks like everyone is in. Let's start with our class today. Today we are going to write loops. We have to help Scrat across the slippery ice to get the acorn. So here's Scrat and here's our acorn. Scrat needs to move 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times to get to the acorn. So we will say repeat, moving to the east or to the right-hand side 5 times. Let's see. And well done, Scrat got his first acorn. Remember, I said to you yesterday, we can either write the code like this, where we put 5 blocks, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 blocks, east blocks that tells Scrat that he needs to move 5 times to the right-hand side. So either way, if you have written the code this way or this way, it is not wrong. Let's continue to our next puzzle. All right, let's quickly see why I can't move on. I know, it looks like my system is hanging this morning. Let's just give it a second or two to see what is happening. There we go. Malika, are you going to answer this question for us?
So you repeat 5, going west, and then when you're there, then you must come down 2 times.
Okay, let's see if you are correct. Congratulations, Malachi. I have only received Kobe's video and where he showed us how he is coding. Please remember to give me send me your pictures so that I can post them online first. I'm quickly going to put my email address in the chat box so you can send me those videos and photos. All right, so remember, like I said yesterday, there's 2 ways. There isn't a right answer or a wrong answer. So now we want to go west 5 times. Let's put it in 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, and 5 times, and go down 2 times. Let's see. So if you have written the code like this, the way Malachi said to us we need to do it, or this way, it is not wrong and it is not right. Any way that you have written the code that gets Scrat to the acorn is correct. Let's show you again. This is the way Malachi showed us. There we go. Let's continue to our next puzzle. Now we are going to write loops with Scrat. Let's see. Can you get to the acorn with just 1 west block? try using a loop. So our repeat button is the loop that we want to write, because we give Scrat the instruction to repeat whatever is in the loop, the amount of times that we want it to repeat. Kushani, are you going to answer this question for us?
Yes, Miss.
All right. Tell me what I need to do and how many times I need to do it.
You must put the repeat on 5 times.
Yes.
Then you do the west.
The west block. All right, let's run and see. Congratulations, Kusani. I'm very proud of you. Remember, we must always practice. Practice makes perfect. Uyanda, I will send you my email address now again. And it is in the chat box. Let's continue to our next puzzle. Now we have to add one more block to get Scrat all the way down to the acorn. Katja, will you answer this question for us?
Yes.
Okay. Tell me what we must do.
My name is not Katja, my name is Aisha.
Hi, Aisha. Sorry. Aisha, will you tell us what we must do to continue this code?
We must put south
Yes.
in the other block,
In the repeat block, yes.
and then you put run.
And run. How many times must it repeat? Do you want it to repeat 4 times? Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Well done, Aisha. And you are one of our new students today. I'm very proud of you. Okay, let's continue to puzzle number 6. Can you add a loop to get Scrat to the acorn? Let's ask Traftic. Will you help us this morning?
Yes.
Okay, tell me what I must do.
You must repeat,
Yes.
and then you must 4 times repeat.
Yes.
And now
Which block must I put into the repeat for us?
you west.
West. All right, let's run it and see.
Now you must
Well done. I'm very, very impressed with you guys. Let's continue. Nathan, are you going to answer this question for us?
yeah.
All right, Scrat really wants his acorns. So how are we going to get that? Remember, we need to use the loop button, which is this repeat in this section.
Put the repeat button.
Yes. How many times must I repeat? And what step must I repeat?
I repeat west.
And how many times do you want me to repeat? Are you sure we want to repeat west?
Yes.
Okay, let's see what happens if we repeat.
No, I made a mistake. But supposed to be down.
So we must go south. Or the down arrow, that's correct. And you want us to repeat it 4 times.
Yes.
Okay, what do you think is the next step?
What times?
So
West.
4 times going to the west. And then you think we are finished?
No.
All right, what is our last step before Scratch can get his acorn?
Repeat 4 times up. No.
4 times going up. Let's run. Celeste, you are correct. Malachi, sorry, not Celeste, Malachi. Well done, Nathan. You are also correct. You guys are very, very clever. Can you fix this code? Let's see where we went wrong. So Scratch is over here and his acorn is over there. So the first code says we must repeat going east 3 times. Let's see if that is correct. 1, 2, 3 times. That is correct. We can also use the step button to take us step by step to see what is wrong and where it is wrong. So let's see, let's step the first code and see 1, 2, and 3 times. The next code says we must step 3 times to the north. Let's see if that is correct. 1, 2, and 3. Do you think we need to change this loop code? Malachi, what do you think?
Yes, you gotta change.
Then 3 into 5 going up.
Okay, let's see. Is that the only problem we have?
No, at the top you have east going this way, going frontwards. They must go backwards.
What's east or west?
What is backwards and frontwards? I can't see you, remember? So you must tell me, must I go north or south, east
Yes.
or west?
Like 4 west or south.
Forest is right.
Forward is right, so to the west. So how many times must the west button be repeated?
Oh,
Do you want me to step so we can see where we have go? Oh no, we fell into the water. Let's see. Let's give Uyanda a chance. I saw her hand was up. Uyanda, would you like to help us make this code correct? Uyanda? All right, now she's quiet. Let's count. We must always count and see what we want to do. So Scratch is over here and we want him to jump 1, 2, 3 times to the east. That is correct. Now we want Scratch to jump 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times to the north, which is also correct. Let's see. Abraham? I can't unmute you. Okay, so I can't unmute you, Abraham. I'll check what is happening now. So now we want to go 1, 2, 3, 4 times to the west and 1, 2, 3, 4 times to the south. So I think our code is now correct. Let's run it and see. Very, very well done. Thank you guys for helping me fix the code. Let's see what our next puzzle has to do. Now the one is so far away. Can you use loops to get Scrat all the way? Let's see if, here we go. Abraham, can you hear me? Abraham? All right, let's see. Who has been very quiet in my class today? Where is Sean and Ria? Naisha, thank you for putting up your hand. Are you going to answer this question for us?
Yes. Yep.
All right. What must I do so that Scrat can get his acorn?
5 steps east.
Okay, so we say repeat 5 steps to the east. And then?
And then 6 steps south.
6 steps.
Yes.
Okay, are you sure?
Yes.
All right.
And then 3 steps west.
How many steps?
3.
3 steps to the west. Yes.
And 3 steps south. North.
North. Okay, and 3 steps north. Let's play the code. Let's run it and see what happens. Let's see if we are correct. Our first part is correct. Oh no, he's jumped into the water. Can you see if you made a mistake?
Yes, I did.
All right, so what must we fix so that Scrat can get his acorn?
5.
5 times going south. Am I correct?
Everything, yep.
All right, let's run and see what happens. Well done, guys. I see Malachi also got the code correct. Puseletso, are you going to answer the next question? This is now a challenge puzzle. Challenge puzzles are lessons designated to stretch your brain. Just do the best that you can. Are you guys ready for this? We have been acing this whole week's puzzle challenges. Nothing can stop us. Puseletso, can you hear me?
Yes.
Are you going to answer the question for me today?
Yes.
All right.
Aisha.
Aisha,
Yeah.
tell me what I need to do.
You need to put the repeat button.
Yes.
Going to the south.
All right. How many times?
5.
Okay. Let us ask the Malachi next. What do you think is the next step, Malachi?
Then you must turn to repeat to, and
Yes.
then you must go west.
Repeat to going to the west. All right. Nathan, what do you think is our next step?
Repeat 5 times.
Repeat 5 times. And what must I repeat 5 times? Up. So going north. Okay, let's see. Ria. Let me just unmute you. Why can't I unmute you this morning, Ria? Ria, can you hear me?
Yes, must.
Two times going to the west.
Okay, hi Ria. So you say we must go 2 times, repeat 2 times, going to the west. Is that correct?
Yes, teacher.
Ah. Let's ask, who are we going to ask next? Oh, Traffic, what is our next step? Yes.
My name isn't that. My name is Aaliyah.
Aaliyah, I'm sorry.
It's fine.
Aaliyah, what is our next step?
Our next step is repeat.
Yes.
Teacher, are you on level? Are you on level?
Number 10. We are now on level number 10.
Okay, so we must go west, south.
Ye-
We must go south
Yes. How many times?
5 times.
5 times. Okay. Let us see if we are correct. I think we have written the entire code. Let's run it and see if we have beaten this puzzle. First step is done. Second step is done. Our third one is done. Our fourth one is done. And our fifth one is done. Congratulations, everyone. We beat the puzzle challenge. Let's continue to our next puzzle. Practice makes perfect. The more you practice, the easier coding will get. Let's see what we must do in our next puzzle piece. Help Scrat to get the acorn. Who is going to answer this question? Elijah,
Nine.
are you going to answer this question?
It's Aaliyah.
Aaliyah, sorry, I have written it wrong. I've written it down wrong. Aaliyah,
Yes.
will you answer this question for us?
Yes.
All
So you
right.
repeat
Yes.
now 4 times.
Okay, repeat
4 times.
4 times.
Now you must take west.
Yes. Do you think we must repeat or just put west?
You must repeat
No,
that.
no. I'm one step. I'm one step before you, yes.
Now you must repeat again.
Yes.
Now it must be number 2.
Yes.
The repeat must be number 2 and put north in the repeat.
Yes.
Now we put another repeat in.
Yes.
The number must be 4
Yes.
and you must use the west.
So
East,
use
east,
east.
east.
Okay.
Now you must another repeat.
Yes.
Change it in number 2.
Yes.
Now, no, you must use north again.
North again. Let's run and see if you have written the code correctly. But I think you did. Well done. I'm very, very proud of you guys. Let's see who has been very quiet in our class that always answers. I think Shane, apologies, Shane, will you answer this last puzzle for me today?
Yes.
Okay, tell me what I need to do.
So, go to the east.
Must we put in a loop?
Yes.
All right.
Use the
How many
loop to
times?
go east 5 times.
East 5 times. Okay. What next?
Then go north 5 times.
Like that.
Yes.
All right. Let's run and see if you are correct. Congratulations, Shane. I'm very, very, very impressed with you guys.
It's Sean, not Shane.
Sorry, Sean. So on Monday, we will have a new teacher. And she's been hiding in our class. Your new teacher will be Janneke. I'm going to ask her to just say hello to you guys and introduce herself. Today's my last day with you, but I'm very, very impressed with how much you've learned this week. And I cannot wait to check up on you guys next week to see how good you have done. Janneke?
Hello, everybody. Hello, everyone. Can you hear me?
Yes, let me just unmute them. Hold on, let me just unmute for you. I know what happened.